Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. I have got my June 2021 Glossybox. Now, I do really enjoy getting this box every month, and I'm so blessed that Glossybox has been gracious enough to send this to me for review and to share with you guys. So, obviously, I do really look forward to this. And I love sharing it with you guys because it's really such a great value every month. And they also have some of the most amazing limited edition boxes. So, if you ever get a chance to get in on one of those, definitely do. Now, like I said, this is the June 2021 box, and it is available on their website. Down below, I do have a discount link, and if you click that link, it'll zip you over to their website, and you'll get a great deal on your first box. Now, Glossybox itself is $21 a month, and you get a mixture of skincare, makeup, hair care sometimes, and stuff like that. You also get deluxe sample size and several full size items, usually. The value of the box is always really good. Now, we did get a couple of extra goodies that isn't on the actual card that we get this month, but I got 2 packets. They were on the outside of the box, and they're collagen peptides, little individual one-time use. So we got 2 of these, and then okay, a little flyer thing from Geico. Okay, now this is the card we get in the box, the little pamphlet, and it does have all the products inside along with prices. And when you open up the box, this is what it looks like inside. So not only do we get these really super pretty reusable boxes, they're really good quality, very sturdy cardboard, but again, the packaging inside is always really pretty. Their presentation is amazing. Ooh, look. Look at all the goodies. I'm really excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is by Piliani Antioxidant Face Oil. That's pretty packaging too. The full size retails for $62. So the deluxe mini actually retails for $8. And this is an ageless concentrate, including rare extracts found only in the Bicol region. I'm probably saying that so wrong. Of the Philippines, this powerful formula was created to nourish skin deep from within. It has anti-aging benefits, while LME oil extracts have firming properties, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and supple. I'm actually really excited to try that. Okay, and here's the next thing. It's from PW. Piper Way. And this is a deluxe mini. And the full size of this retails for $13. And this retails for $6. And it is a natural deodorant cream. I'm curious to try this. I've tried a couple products that are similar to this, like a deodorant cream, and I just wasn't a big fan. So, I don't know, maybe I like this one more. So actually, this is really something cool about this company. 1OWP, which stands for Ocean Waste Plastic, product from Piper Way is equal to 10 plastic bags right out of the ocean. That's really cool that they reuse stuff like that. So I do appreciate that. This is an activated charcoal deodorant, and it's formulated with clean ingredients that melt into your armpits. It absorbs moisture and provides long-lasting odor protection, making it sustainable and effective. Okay. Okay, and next I've got this thing. This is by Niobe Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a full size, and it's the Freedom Low pH Hemp and Green Tea Cleanser. Oh, that's really interesting. Like I said, it is a full size, and it retails for $18.20. The first step to any skincare routine, both day and night, is cleansing. Formulated to delicately remove dirt and daily impurities while respecting the skin's acid mantle. This vegan and cruelty-free gel cleanser will leave your skin feeling refreshed without stripping away oils. Let's see if it's got like a seal on it or anything. Nope. Oh, it's got a really nice light scent to it. Oh, I like that. The next thing is this baby here. Is it upside down? No, it wasn't upside down. Looks like it was upside down. This is from Josephine Cosmetics, and it is a full size, and it's a highlighter, and it retails for $36. That's a pricey highlighter. The Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter in the color Claire. Illuminate your best features with just a swipe of this Luxe Natural Complexion Enhancer infused with skin nourishing green tea extract, evening primrose, and luminous radiance pearls that capture and reflect light for a healthy, dimensional, sun-kissed, dewy finish. Okay. Now, I don't really use like liquid or cream highlighters. So here is right there what it looks like initially. So it's like a very light baby pink. Okay. So, okay, you can see it right there now that I see that, blended it in. That's actually really, really pretty. I like it. Okay, last but not least is this big guy here. Okay, this is from, Seed Phytonutrients. And it is a full size, and it retails for $18. This is a moisture conditioner. It's a vegan silicone-free formula that's designed to replenish dry, coarse, damaged hair. It's got organic meadowfoam seed oil, and it provides deep hydration for healthy, soft, shiny hair, while mango butter helps manage dry ends and flyaways. I bet this smells incredible. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it does. Oh, I am going to eat that up. I'm totally going to be using this tonight. Okay. So that was everything in this month's June 2021 Glossybox. What do we think? What's your favorite thing that I got in the box that you would maybe like to try, or, let me know. Put it down in the comments. I think my favorite thing is probably this hair conditioner. Yeah, I'm like really excited to use it. So, what's the total value of this month's box? The total value is $86.20. So, with the box being $21 a month, and if you're a new subscriber, use my link below. You'll get that first month discounted. So, definitely make sure you do that. But at $21 a month, the total savings is 75% off retail. Now, in the numbers, I did only reflect the deluxe mini, dollar numbers. Obviously, I didn't, if it wasn't a full size, I didn't add in the full size price. I only included the mini price. So, that's still a really, really good deal. And generally, when I look at considering getting new subscription boxes, that's probably one of the main things I look for. Not just the, type of products, whether I'm looking for makeup, skincare, both, hair care, and stuff like that, but also the percentage of savings that I'm going to actually be getting. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so much. And if you haven't done so already, smash the subscribe button, please. It does help my channel out so much. And it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this, along with some of the other stuff I do, like the spoilers, the deals, the discounts, the brand savings or sales that are going on, mystery boxes, letting you guys know when those are coming out, and of course, my giveaways. So, love you guys bunches. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye.